Namaste and welcome back. Today we shall continue with the cardiovascular system. Our cardiovascular system has three main circuits. The pulmonary circuit. The circuit carries blood without oxygen from heart to the lungs. The pulmonary veins return oxygenated blood to the heart. The systematic circuit. In this circuit, blood with oxygen, nutrients, and hormones travel from the heart to the rest of the body. In the veins, the blood picks up waste products as the body uses up oxygen, nutrients, and hormones. The coronary circuit. Coronary refers to the heart's arteries. The circuit provides the muscle with oxygen poor blood to the heart's upper right chamber to send to the lungs for oxygen. Types of circulatory system. There are two types of circulatory system. Systematic circulatory system, main system that transport blood to organs, tissues and cells throughout the body. Pulmonary circulatory systems moves blood between hearts and lungs. This is where oxygen enters and carbon dioxide leaves the blood. Structure of heart. The heart consists of four distinct chambers. Two upper chambers called the atria and two lower chambers called the ventricles. A wall called septum separates the atria and ventricles. Valves control the flow of blood within the different chambers. Blood follows the following path through the heart. Blood lacking oxygen returns from the body and enters the right atrium via the inferior and superior vena cava veins. Blood flows through the tricuspid valves and enters the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps blood through the pulmonary valve and out of the heart via the main pulmonary artery. The blood then flows through the left and right pulmonary arteries into the lungs. Here, the process of breathing draws oxygen into the blood and removes carbon dioxide. The blood returns to the heart and flows into the left atrium via four pulmonary veins. Blood flows through the mitral valve and enters the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps the blood through the aortic valve into a large artery called the aorta. This artery delivers blood to the rest of the body. Cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle consists of two phases. The first phase is diastole, in which the ventricles fill with blood. It begins when the aortic and pulmonary valve closes and ends when the mitral or tricuspid valve closes. During diastole, blood vessels return blood to the heart in preparation for the next contraction of the ventricle. The second phase is systole, in which the ventricles contract and eject blood. It begins when mitral or tricuspid valve closes. The pressure inside the ventricle becomes greater than the pressure inside adjacent blood vessels, thereby forcing blood from the ventricles to the vessel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.